Discover the heart of India, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels, and every corner holds a new surprise. Begin your journey in Amritsar, home to the mesmerizing Golden Temple, a beacon of spirituality and community. Experience the grandeur of Rajasthan, with its stunning hilltop forts and royal palaces in Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Udaipur, and Jaipur. Stand in awe before the Taj Mahal in Agra, India's most iconic symbol of love and architectural brilliance. Feel the pulse of Mumbai, India's commercial capital, where energy and creativity burst from every street. Explore Tamil Nadu's charming coastal villages, pilgrimage sites, and beautiful Hindu temples, and savor the delicious South Indian cuisine. Immerse yourself in Kolkata, an intellectual and cultural powerhouse with stunning architecture and vibrant markets. Visit Dharamshala, the seat of the Tibetan government in exile, and feel the serene presence of the Dalai Lama. Witness the digital revolution in Hyderabad, an IT hub that showcases India's growing technological prowess. End your journey in Odisha, an often overlooked gem with beautiful temple complexes, welcoming locals, and a relaxed beach vibe.